Okay, so members, when we come to this lesson, today we are going to see how can you find acceleration, displacement, and velocity given one of them. Now we are going to see that orange displacement is measured in meters, velocity in meters per second, acceleration in meters per second squared. So if you are given one, we can determine the other. So here, if you are given displacement as a function of t, you can get velocity by differentiating that displacement. If you want acceleration, now you can differentiate the velocity, or you can differentiate displacement to times. Now, if you want this displacement and you are given the velocity, you can integrate the velocity, you will be getting displacement. And if you want velocity and you are given acceleration, you can integrate this together. Now, here we have a question that a particle has its displacement given by this meters. Find its velocity after 2 seconds. B, time when its velocity is 32 meters per second, and its acceleration at this instant. What we do, members, here we just differentiate. You know that if we have displacement, we can get velocity. So the solution here is very easy. Already, part A, our velocity is equal to d. The t, so now this one is in the function of t of displacement. So if you differentiate displacement, you get the velocity. So from here, I have now my d dt. Now I'm going to differentiate displacement, which is t plus 8. So if you differentiate, we shall get, when you differentiate this, we get 3t squared minus 4t. If you differentiate this, we get a 0. So find the velocity after 2 seconds. So this is our velocity. So they want us to get the velocity after 2 seconds. So our velocity when 2 is 2 seconds. Now my velocity will be 3. Of course, this expression is in meters per second. So I put 2 squared then minus 4 into t. This will give you 12 minus 8, and this will be 4 meters per second. Now here in part B, find the time when its velocity is 32 meters per second and this acceleration at this instant. Now you see that now the formula for getting velocity, you know that your velocity is given by 32 squared minus 40. So this is the expression for velocity. Now they want time when the velocity is 32. So substituting there, minus 40 is equal to 32. I need to get time. So from here, when I take this side, I have 3t squared minus 32 equaling 0. Two numbers, I multiply, I get 96. I add, I get negative 4. This will be minus 12t plus 8t minus 32 equaling 0. So when I add this, I get this. When I multiply them, I get 92. So 3t is common, t minus 4. Then plus what is common here is 8 into t minus 4 equals 0. So here I have 3t. So either my t is negative 8 over 3 or my t is 4. So you see that here time can't be a negative, so therefore our t is going to be 4 seconds. So the time when the velocity will be 32 is 4 seconds. So then acceleration at this instant. Now, if we have this as our v equaling to 3t squared minus 40. Now to get acceleration, we differentiate this. So acceleration will be, we differentiate velocity, which will be d dt of 3t squared minus 40. So there is our acceleration will be now, if I differentiate this, I get 60 minus 4. So at this instant, the mean when time is also 4. So when t is 4 seconds, then my acceleration will be minus 4. This will be 24 minus that, which will be 20 meters per second squared. 20 meters per second squared. So members, that's how we use differentiation to get the velocity and acceleration if you are given such equation. Of course, this displacement was with respect to time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I wish you the best.